Welcome to the installation tutorial for our upgraded laparoscopic trainer box. Let's start by unboxing. Now, unfold the training box and secure the side brackets into the base holes by pressing the small clamps on each side. Connect the LED lights by plugging the white LED USB cable into your laptop's USB slot. Use the inline switch to turn on the lights and adjust brightness. Proceed to insert the endoscope. First, insert the endoscope sequentially into the adjuster, and then into the large blue hole. Connect the endoscope's USB cable to your computer and launch the camera software to view the endoscope's display on your screen. Finally, turn on the flush at the end of the endoscope for additional lighting. Choose from the 12 modules included, and place your selected module inside the box. Secure it using the screws provided. Adjust the endoscope to display the module on your screen. Insert the practice instruments into the blue holes around the box and into the holes of the central blue adjuster as needed. For practice with a smartphone or tablet, fix the white stand in the middle hole using the provided screws. Set your device to camera mode and place it on the stand. Your laparoscopic trainer box is now fully assembled and ready for use. For more details on using the modules, please refer to the module instruction video. Choose the best. Choose Alcedo Health.